So we eventually got the steering column in. Jeez, I thought that was a freaking crack in the boot. I got a fright now. I battled my ass off. We had to make some adjustments though. So let's see if I can get this right now. So I don't know what part this is called, but this is like a knuckle. This added on maybe 4 or 5 centimeters, so the steering rack wasn't bolting onto its mounting, and the steering column was too long. So I took off the E36's, I don't know what this piece is, and replaced it with the E36's one, the original one, because that didn't have a problem. And then there was a piece of plastic that I had to cut out, because this notch is much bigger than the E36's, but everything is fitting together quite well. I'm not going to have very good alignment after this. We already put on the oil housing, alternator brackets there, with the mounting on the top. I think we're making good progress. I think this is day 3 of working on the car. I've done the 2 windows now, getting there. Now I just need to put this all back together, pull the pipes and leads back, and put some fresh seals on here where I thought maybe the air would be leaking. And then the steering pump, power steering pump needs to go back, and then everything needs fluids. At least the car can go back on the ground now. Need to look at getting some of these parts cleaned up now. Get all this rust and corrosion off here before we get some light on there. Before we get the parts back on the car, at least get some of this corrosion out of the pipes and stuff. Get a bottle brush cleaner for that one. Need to put a bit of light on the situation, but there the box sits. They delivered it. I was out when they did. Oh, let's get it inside. Okay, and that's how it came. Looks all neatly packed. But I thought so. No, okay, no, it is here. Alright, the oil is there. This is the one that got damaged last time. Okay, let's see if all the parts are right. This must be the water pump. See bottles of that. Oh, damaged. Look at that. Okay, something is damaged. It's very broken. This must be the wheel bearings. Oh well, I'll have a look through it. See if everything's correct. Hopefully it is. So we're finally going to put the seal gasket. I'm going to put it back in here. Part number, everyone wants it. Checking if it's the right one. Fits nicely. I'm still going to put some seal gasket maker on here just to be sure. I was told that I must do that. Just put some of that seal on. Good. I'll put the gasket on top. If I'm doing it right, the way I was told to do it, and then that goes onto the vehicle. Just to be safe, I'll put some gasket seal on here as well, just to be safe. And I'll put it down with a finger. Hello, Linky Pies. What is that? Okay. My appies there. What are you doing, my appies? Moment of truth. But that's it. Let's see now if I can get it. Just where are the bolts? Oh, no, they weren't. They were longer than that. I have a little technical difficulty now. I think I put all the bolts in the back there. Yeah, they are. Yes. I haven't cleaned them yet. That was smart. Just clean them quickly. Yoda, get out there. Get out. Out. Get out. Move. Yoda, move. Get out. Yoda. Get out, chicken. No, Yoda, come here. Come here. Just don't go under the car, okay? You can stay, just don't go under the car. Fuck. Fucking one thing, it's another. Oh, pause that. Oh, on. That's on. Okay, let's see. Now I was probably going to squeak or something. I can drive the car now. So put the wheels back together and go around the block. Running at temperature. So I must disconnect the so I take it that means it's running fine, eh? I'd say this thing is one of the most difficult pieces besides the door clamps to actually reassemble. So I've marked which leads go to which plug, and then this thing kind of clips in like this, but the wires have to like fit snug. So I don't know if there's a special way to do this. I haven't really looked up online yet, but besides your back getting hurt, I don't know how the mechanics do this every day. I keep saying that. How the hell do you do this neatly and tidily? Okay, so this was number, you see now I can't move it. This was number 2. Get it in there. So they all got channels to go into here. Oh, my back is killing me. Come on. And then this isn't. This is number, this one here. But then this is way too long. Did I do this wrong? I feel like that's way too long. So I suppose we'll just feed some of it out here. Try and get them all the same length. And somehow I have to figure out how this one goes in here. I decided to keep the original cable here because it wasn't in bad condition. And it has the boot on it. Okay, so that must somehow now go in here. Keep it neat and tidy. Oh, my back is killing me. There we go. That just goes on top of that one. That actually wasn't so bad now. After disconnecting all the leads, but now these feel like they're way too long. Compared to the others, so let's see, does this even fit on here? Oh, it does. Look at that. Neat and tidy. Oh, no, wait. What about number 1? Number one, where are you supposed to go? You're supposed to go over this one as well. All of this must fit, and then this piece, this piece must clip it closed, I think. How does this go again? I'm just going to drop this shit down as an engine bay now too. I'm going to get it clipped in. I just need to see the order they go in now. So, I'm back down to the garage. Everything's back together, but I just couldn't get over this part where is the sensor? The sensor that was here, I couldn't find it. Then I'm like, wait, what's, I don't know, can you see it there? What's that? Look at this hiding here. Look at that, there it is. This whole time. Ah, come now, don't be shy. There he was sitting. Damn bugger. Yeah, so I don't know if this was causing the high, excuse me. Maybe that was causing the high idle. So it's got the oil sensor now in there. Maybe let's see if it will idle better now. Oh, what a view. You know, just when you think you're done, you realize you made a silly mistake. I didn't tighten the hose clamp on the freaking power steering reservoir, and I thought one of these seals was leaking, and I got a bad one because I never tested it before I fitted it. So I had to reach in underneath here. Is it? It's this pipe here, this one, all the way up there. So you can't take it off from the top, you'll see in a second. So I had to just tighten that hose clamp up there. I'm giving myself hard work to do here. So hopefully that's it. Everything should be gone. So hopefully that's it. Everything should be together now. I don't see any other leaks except for some coolant, but I think that's because I overfilled it. You can see there's some leaking here. This looks tight. Nothing else from underneath, but yeah. Okay. So now we just come from underneath there. How the hell you get anything in there? I don't know. Unless I did just do it the hard way, but yeah. It's fully back together now. I think we can give it a start. Clean the lens there. Let's give it a little start and see how she runs, shall we?